Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Talented Spring and Summer. So guys, today I will show you some basic functions and properties of Python, like how you apply mathematical operators, how can you use operators in Python. So let's start. Let's dive into the video, guys. So guys, now you will have this screen when you open the Python. This screen is the interactive. So guys, when you press, so now guys, when you press any number 241, it will randomly replicate itself. Now if you write something, it won't, because it's not defined. It's not like a defined operator. Now, if now this is where a operator comes, a popular operator print comes in. This operator is really important for writing in interactive mode. Say welcome. We have to use the brackets and colons so that we could specify what to print. Now if I press enter, it will print the whole thing properly. So now guys, I will now open. Now guys, I'll not just press control. Now I'll not need to press the control, and I have this. Guys, this empty folder is a script mode, in which you can unlock. You can basically just access to it from like pressing control and on new file. You can basically do anything. Say now I write in script mode. You can write variety, like really variety of codes. I'll show you how. Now, now if I uh, now if I say I write print welcome to my channel. If I press Ctrl S, I have to save the file, because saving without saving the file, the program would work. This is this is like a this is like a really basic. So now I can just run the program by pressing run here, or F5 shortcut key. I'll just press run module. I'll say, now you can see here, welcome to my channel, is printed. Nice. So guys, now I'll teach you another. So guys, I'll now teach you another type of another operator, int and input. So guys, int and input are both different operators. Like int asks the user, input lets you write it. Now, if you don't apply the bracket in between, it won't be a program. Now for it to be an operator, it could be in a specific color. Like in IIT, you have blue, and input you have blue. That means they are program. Now, if you write them together, they are not. White color means it's normal text, and blue, red, any other colors means they are a part of program. So now I will now show you program which you can run from it. Now I'm specifying it with a equals to. You need and have and must you you need to specify the letter or something which you need to assign with int or input. So now I'm going to write in the colon, enter your number. Say I'm asking the user a number. I won't apply one column, because it will only cover the enter number column. So if I apply two, it will cover both. It will cover both input and enter number. So that means it would let you input the number, and that's it. Now if for the same I copy, for the same now if I copy, I'll now just copy and paste it on the next line. So I'll make it enter your second and first number. Enter your second and first number. and now I'll specify this as B because you have to specify different, or else the code will conflict and the code will not work. Now I'll have to specify another letter so that you will not have problem. Now I'll specify C equals, it will be equal to, because that's how you specify the values, just like how you did with the int input, that's how you did. So I'll specify it like a, and now we use the new mechanism a plus b. Here you use mathematical operator. You'll have to use the mathematical operators. Say I use a plus b, or let me write a multiplied by b for better convenience. Now for the code to be continued further, I can't run this alone, because I'll show you why I can't run this. I'll show you how. Now if I enter 6 and 4, it won't print C, because I will be needing I will be needing the way, I will be needing the path to specify for the C variable so that you could print it. Now that's where these three little guys come in. That's where these three little guys come. If, elif, and else. Now there is a catch, and now there is a like exception in each of these like operators. If 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 the if option is correct, elif and else won't be followed. I'll indicate it to you. This and this won't be followed if the if one is true. If elif is true, then 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 you erase this and this. That means if and else won't be working. Now if both if and elif are not true, then the else is correct. Else one has an the else has an exception to not include a code. If and elif needs a code. The if is basically the first line, and if you want to like add another condition, you will have to use elif so that you could add another condition. If you add another if, the codes will conflict and the code will crash. So now I'll show you an example. If C, no, since we specified C as small c, a lowercase c, we'll have to use C. We'll have to use a lowercase c. If we use this uppercase C, it will tell us that the variable is not defined. Now, if we use this, a greater sign is used for wide variety of ranges, like say, if a number is greater than this or equal to this. This is where greater and equal numbers come in. Greater, equal. Say let's say the number is, let's say C is greater or equal to, let's say the number is a greater or equal to 25. Now we would have to apply colon. I'll show you why. Colon has to be applied because because Python, because the ideally expects a colon to be applied so that you can proceed to the next line of the code. It stops the code to be running infinitely, so it automatically crashes. Now if I press this, you don't have to press backspace or space, because if you press backspace or space, the code line will be doing whole. So if you want to do it again, you just have to go here again, press it. Now I'll just say print. You can like apply wide variety of operators, but I'll be just using print for the basic, for the sake of basis of Python. So let's say I say the print the number is cool. Let's say the number is cool. Now for the LF part, let's say if the number C is less than or equal to 10 and we apply the colon. Don't ever forget the colon, guys, or your whole code will be ruined right there. Say I apply there and print the number is a bit cool. Now, for else, you don't have to write any condition, you don't have to write anything. You just have to write the print or any function you have by default. Say I will write the number is not cool. Now I'll save the code and run it. Let's see. Now we enter our first number, 5. Let's say I'll enter both 5s. The number is cool. Okay, guys, the number is cool because 5 to 5 is 25 and it is exactly equal to 25. And now if I say get 4 and 2, the number is a bit cool because it's lower than 10. It's less than 10. Now if I like put in the middle, like let's say I get a number which is 20 or 21. Let's say I write 3 and 7. The number is not good because both this and this both of these functions are not true. Both of these functions are not true and the else function is being used. And so since there is no function to specify, only the else function is here. So that is an else function will be used. So guys, I'll show you this is the last thing I'll show you. Now, if you like move the multiplication sign also, if say AB, it also means multiplied. And if you like apply both of these, that means squared. Okay, guys, let me show you. Let me show you. I think it will work. The number is cool because I think the square of 6 like a number is big, like really big. It's coming big. Now if I type 2 and 2, the number is a bit cool because it's going greater. It's going greater. It's like the both A and B are getting squared first, then they are being multiplied. Now if I say actually I'm really sorry guys, I can't show you the floor division, but let's say I guess let's try if this works. Let's try if this works. Sorry guys, actually I won't be able to use the division function because the division sign is actually wrong and I can't use floor division on this one. So I'm really sorry guys. Now I'll show you a unique function. This is the last function for this video. This is very unique. This you see right here, this is hashtag. Now if you write something here, hello, I am a creator. Say you write this in hashtag and you save, nothing happens. The code runs normally and it doesn't include this. Now you ask why? Because hashtag is a special character which basically puts this basically is like a sub text space, like where you like put random words in. If the if like there's a hashtag somewhere, you can like write anything from there, like anything. Seriously. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned the basics of Python. To be honest, they are really easy for a guy like me because I was engaged in coding since 6th grade. So it's for me it's really easy. You can also try. You can also try if you want to learn it properly. You can also try. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.